how has your experience been here so far?
Oh, this is a horrible place.
Girl did not hold back. No. Okay, tell more.
Elaborate. Give me one
Tell more. I want to hear your experience.
Yeah.
Oh, I've been here. Oh, this will be a week. But I will also say I've worked in hotels for my career.
You worked in hotels.
So
okay, so give me the
lowdown.
The good, yeah.
Yes.
Because I know you got it.
Food is awful.
Yes.
People are very, very friendly.
Yeah.
The drinks are way better at the adult only area, and I will never come back.
Why?
You know what, too, though?
Okay. And if you look at like the Google reviews and whatever, no one else will either.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
How was your
reviews
room?
are scary.
Like, did you like your room?
So, I mean, it was clean, and
Was your bed made properly?
If I am in my room on vacation, there's a problem. So
that's true. I'm sorry. Was your bed not made properly?
Why am I looking at the mattress?
Huh?
Why am I looking at the mattress? The fitted sheet wasn't tucked in.
They don't use the fitted sheet, so that's really common though.
Oh,
that's
yeah,
really
they don't
common.
even tuck it in, like, you know, like
They
they
use
said at the hotel,
double
corners.
flat sheets.
Okay, that's what I'm like.
Yeah.
On my bed. Okay.
No, because I was like, oh, I'm looking at the mattress right now. I'm like, because it wasn't even like the first flat sheet wasn't tucked in. It was just draped over. Yeah. And so like when you sleep, it was like revealing the mattress, which is a very interesting color of beige. And I was like, no, you know what? I started to look at the mattresses when I had a leader.
I look for everything.
Welcome back. This is our second room review at Grand Palladium Vallarta. And if you watched the first video, you will remember that we had a hard time in finding the beauty in our rooms and instead found issues that needed addressing. In this episode, we will show you some of the other rooms that this resort can offer. Tune in to see if it gets better.
Sliding door was not sliding. The gentleman who brought the luggage in, he tried the safe, and I thought that was strange. Like, why are you trying the safe, sir? Oh, well. So he started pushing, and he's like, oh, this one doesn't work. So what are we doing with our money? What are we doing with our passports? He said he could call someone for us to help us. But honestly, the type of call that I would want him to make is a call to get out of this room. Trying to figure out this safe. We can't, look at me pressing it. 1 doesn't work, 2 doesn't work, 3 doesn't work. I feel like they have not fixed this. It's not fixed.
Enough's enough. Time to see if we can find another room.
We're here at the front desk and we're gonna go explore 2 different room types to see if they might meet our standards a little bit more.
We are currently staying in the deluxe ocean view room, which is about 335 square feet of space. Gorgeous view? Absolutely. Gorgeous room? Not so much. Now we're checking out the junior suite garden view. Coming in at 410 square feet with the same amenities as our current room. Honestly, we were hoping for an upgrade in the color scheme and decor, but nope. Still serving the exact same orange hue we've been living in. Now it's time to check out the grand finale, the Family Selection Suites. This is a top tier room here, complete with perks like butler service, access to exclusive restaurants, private pools, and even personalized service at the beach. Finally, the orange has been retired and we're welcomed by a much more flattering purple palette. This room is 410 square feet, but for something marketed as a family suite, we were surprised to see no double sink. And for an extra $50 to $80 per night, yeah, we politely passed on that upgrade. All right, time to hear from Janelle and get some must-hear survival tips for making it through a stay at a, let's say, subpar resort.
You're on vacation, you put flip-flops on. Okay. It's just so, because you just don't know what's on the bottom of that tub unless you're bringing your own cleaning products. So you have shower flip-flops and it gives you the grip you need, keeps the bacteria off your foot and on the flip-flops. And then you wrap it to avoid it from getting into your luggage, like the dirt we have a plastic bag. You just wrap it in a plastic bag and put it in your luggage. To check out for bed bugs. So you just lift up the sheets, look at the mattress, make sure there's no black spots or residue or any bugs there. And then also we have a blue light that we use to look on the sheets because if it's been changed or if it's dirty. I generally bring my own sheets on vacation just because I feel comfortable in my own sheets that I know I have cleaned. In addition, we look for roaches. We look on the perimeters of the walls in the room. But because we've found shells and we've actually seen some crawling when we went to some hotels, and so we'll ask to change the room. So before we even unpack anything, we do a full sweep of the room, full parameter, the bed, the walls, the ceilings, and we also bring our flip-flops. And we bring like wipes and stuff like Clorox just in case we have to clean things. Jacuzzis are a cesspool of germs and increased likelihood of getting a yeast infection as a woman, so you need to just be careful. And I used to work at a community center where the maintenance and pool guys used to go in, and they said, you know, when it drained, it looks just like a whole pile of doo-doo they had to shovel up and shovel out, and I have no idea. Maybe it was just that particular pool, but the maintenance guy said never get into these unless it's your own at home that you know to clean, so I don't go to jacuzzis either.
Stay tuned for our next video where we're tackling the resort's food. And let's just say our taste buds went on quite the emotional roller coaster. Was it a gourmet paradise or a buffet blender? You'll have to watch to find out. See you there.